Is it time to think about buying GameStop again? The hottest stock from May, the hottest stock from June. It's been pretty quiet lately, but it's starting to perk up, and that could be an opportunity. Let's dive into the charts and I'll show you what I mean. Now, first of all, we have here the daily chart, and you can see the big run in May and then the big run in June. But look at how dead and quiet it's been over the last couple of weeks. Now, that's a good thing, because when a stock is dead and quiet like that, it means that the market buyers and sellers have come to some agreement about what the stock is worth, and that's been around $23, $24 a share for GME. When it starts to move from that, it implies that there is some new information coming into the market that justifies people paying a higher price. So it's this break from low volatility that tells us something is going on. And it's usually the people that know the most, that follow the company the closest, that are the early buyers, because they have better information than others. And as the rest of the market learns about it, you'll see the stock start to move. So let's dive in to the shorter term chart. I'm going to go to the 5-day chart. And this is where you can see this perking up, this life that's coming into the stock. You can see that the last 3 days, the stock's been very sort of sideways trending. And then today, there's this price action here. And you can also see the volume is jumping. And just now it's starting to break from this, what we call a pennant pattern. So the stock is coming alive. We can dive in deeper, go to the 1-day chart, and we'll make it a 1-minute chart. And there you can see the pennant pattern that has just broken. If we go to the 15-day, 30-minute chart, again, you see this another pennant here. So what is a pennant? Well, it's volatility compressing. So the price moves up and down are getting narrower and narrower. And that means the buyers and sellers are coming to agreement about what the company's worth. There's confidence in the price of the market. And that's been right around $24, $24.50. Today, you're breaking out from that. You're moving to the upside rather abnormally. And you're doing so with more volume than normal, which means that there are some investors who figured out something's going to come perhaps in the next few days that is positive. Remember, this stock has $4 billion of cash, more than $4 billion of cash. And there will come a day soon where the company's going to announce something about what they're going to do with that cash. And that's the catalyst that can make this stock make another big move. The market activity is telling me something's going on, and I don't know anything. I just learned to follow what the market is telling me to do. Hope you've enjoyed it. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel. Leave me your comments. Do you think GameStop is higher or lower in the next week? Love to hear your thoughts. Trade well.